Good morning, guys. Today we have a really cool episode. I'm off to a friend's house and we're gonna work on his roll cage for his CJ and see if we can get it welded up today. So stay tuned. See you over there. I can't even see it. Can't even see what I'm filming. It's too bright out here. I think I'm filming you. Can't see, it's too bright. Look at that. Big truck. I guess it's a convertible now, huh? Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Old Guy's Garage. Today we're at Ed's house. Say hello, Ed.
Hi guys.
All right, what we're gonna do is what are we gonna do, Ed? What are we doing today, Ed?
Well, the CJ5 I've had for about 26 years.
There it is right there.
It's been under a pretty constant state of metamorphosis over those 26 years. It's seen numerous different iterations. It's had 1, 2, 3 different front axle assemblies, 1, 2, 3 different rear axle assemblies, countless different suspensions, different bumpers, different paint, different seats, different everything. And today I'm working on the third roll cage it's had. So I began yesterday bending tube. I had about 100 feet of 1 3/4 DOM tube. I got the A pillar to C pillar tubes bent yesterday, but one of them I'm not quite happy with. I'm going to see if I can correct one of the bends.
Yeah.
And then going to move from there and start working on the base plates for the roll cage where they'll mount to the body. Ultimately, the roll cage will tie into the frame, but in the short term, it'll be just mounted to the body.
All right.
So that's today's game plan.
Sounds good. Can you walk us around the truck and show us what you've done so far?
On the roll cage for the last 26 years?
Yeah, the whole Jeep. Just give us a little tour on the...
Sure. So the factory wheelbase on a 1979 Jeep CJ5 is 83 inches.
All right, guys, so what we're doing is we're going to use the weight of the Jeep to straighten out this bar.
Maybe.
Maybe. Hold up, hold up. One more. Right there. That's good. One more? Yeah, you're good. It ain't going nowhere. All right, we're trying again. We're going to use the front wheel now. The back wheel was too light, and the whole bar is still moved. Go that way a little bit. That way. There you go. There you go. That's good. Are you staying on it?
I'm gonna pull all the way up.
Sweet Jeep.
radiator. I don't want this one on. I bought an aluminum radiator. Well, I sent them the money. I sent them a cashier's check or a money order. And I sent it registered mail, so I had his signature that he received it. Oh man, I didn't get my radiator. Weeks and weeks went by. So I sent him an email basically saying, I sent you a cashier's check on this date, you received it on this date, provide him a copy of his signature, and I have no radiator. He emailed me back and apologized, said he's been real busy. You know, it wasn't his full-time job, it was a kind of side job. Whatever, I said, that's fine.
Where'd you order the radiator from?
It was off of eBay, some guy on eBay. I was like, that's fine, I mean, it's not a rush, but communicate with me and let me know what's going on.
Yeah.
So he told me, well, I'll have it out to you, like by Monday. All right. No radiator. Let a couple weeks go by. Played this like kind of cat and mouse with him a couple times, I guess. Finally emailed him, kind of laid everything out, saying, again, ordered this date. You received my check on this date. I've got no radiator. If I don't receive my radiator or my money back by whatever date I gave him, I have no choice but to leave you a bad review on eBay. What else? I mean, I've got this my only recourse, right? I never responded. Nothing. I was so ticked off. Well, he leaves it, so I left a review on eBay, completely detailing the incident. He leaves a review on my eBay user account saying, don't do business with this guy. He keeps sending me gay porn.
What?
I was furious, dude. I was furious.
Oh my god.
I contacted eBay. They wouldn't do nothing.
Oh my god. There you go, guys.
Furious.
Watch who you do business with on eBay.
I've never been on eBay's website since then. I mean, that's got to be 10 or 15 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
I was so ticked off. Well, so then I went on vacation.
That's an old guy's garage story for you right there.
I went on vacation to Lake Tahoe for 2 weeks, and I come home. My radiator's sitting on the front porch.
Man, praise the Lord.
And then he says, hey, and he sends me an email, hey, would you go back on and revise your review on eBay? Like, screw you, dude. Tell people I'm sending you gay porn.
Oh man. All right. Got one more plate to go, and then you put a new plate on there, correct?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk around the corner and get it in the back of my pickup truck.
All right.
I'll be right back.
So this piece is what we're doing is we're putting new plates on this area right here. New steel plates so that we can bolt the roll bar and roll cage up to it.
Oops.
Cut the radius. Alright, let's go cut it. Looking pretty dapper there. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're cutting the radius right here so that it fits in the corner of the Jeep so that we can slide it all the way back, and then we got to cut the corner off right here. Nice.
That's that.
Yeah, it looks good, man.
Yeah.
Fits perfect.
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Yep.
Right on. So you gotta trim the corner on that?
I gotta trim the corner.
So it's like this right here on this side.
Yeah.
Trim that over there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's keep it rolling. All right, guys, we got one down and we got one more plate to go. We'll show you what it looks like so far. Now we're gonna bolt the roll cage up to the plates that we're putting in right now. So that's the plan. Fun yet, Ed?
Oh yeah. Oh, I am off on this slot. Feel it. I can feel it all the way through.
Custom fab right here.
Yep.
Gotta love it.
Downtown.
Almost like we know what we're doing.
Mm-hmm. That's all the way in, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Sweet. Just gotta love this awesome Jeep. Look at that. Beast mode all the way. Go big or go home. So we're gonna show you what the mock-up is gonna look like. Yeah, that's gonna be sweet, man. That's gonna be nice. So that's why we're building that plate. The whole purpose of building that plate is to have a mounting point for the back of that roll cage. How's it look back there?
Good.
So you're gonna put another like a little steel plate back there, right?
Yeah,
And
there'll be a
bolt
piece.
that.
There'll be a base plate made out of 3/16 inch steel. That'll go here,
Nice.
and then
And where you say you're gonna tie something else in here, there's another bar gonna go.
yeah, there'll be the B pillar will come down from here. It'll come down to another 3/16 inch plate, and those plates will be sandwiched. There'll be 3/16 inch plate on the bottom side also, and ultimately there'll be 1 3/4 inch tubing going down to the frame. So eventually the cage will be tied into the frame to get the
Right.
best structural integrity.
Nice. That looks sweet, man. That's really cool. Now yours is just gonna go straight down right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. That fits perfect, man.
Yeah.
Great template.
Yeah, Rob built this for his Jeep about
Sweet.
5 years ago, and I saved the template just knowing
Good job, Rob.
one day I'd do this.
All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We'll pick it up on the next one. Talk to you soon.
See you later.
Bye. Notice this, Ed.
Oh yeah.
That's tribute to your dad.
Yep.
That's cool. And he made boilers his
Yep.
whole life, right?
Yep.
There you go. Tribute to Pops.
Yep.
All right. We'll see you on the next one.
All right, guys.
Hey guys, I just wanted to thank Ed for the shoot today. I had a great time at his place, and he doesn't know this, but he was really close with his father. His father passed a while back, and I just wanted to dedicate this episode to his dad, Ned, and love you guys. And the little tribute on the side of his Jeep, that is a picture of Calico. And the whole reason we were actually doing this work today is he's getting the Jeep ready to actually go out. They go out every year in March as a tribute to his father, to Calico. And so I just wanted to say thanks, Ed. And God bless you. Thanks for your help today. And we'll see you soon.